I think our focus in the SGC is we're basically trying to come up with completely novel targets for drug discovery. They could be in any disease area, any therapeutic area. It could be a common disease, it could be a rare disease. We don't mind. We just go where the science or the data tells us to go. We're essentially doing four things. First of all, we're pooling resources. So we have the privilege of working with 8 large pharmaceutical companies. We get access to a lot of their expertise and infrastructure, but we also get a lot of funding from them. We have had a lot of funding from the Wellcome Trust. They put close to £60 million into our lab in Oxford to date. We're now getting funding from philanthropy and charities and government agencies. So we're pooling all of those resources to share risk, because this is a risky business. The second thing we're doing is we're only working on completely novel ideas, novel proteins, often ones that people think are impossible. We deliberately work in those areas, and by doing that we're trying to drive innovation. And then thirdly, everything we generate, all of our reagents, all of our data, all of our knowledge, we share that with the world immediately. We give our reagents away to anybody in academia, anybody in biotech, anybody in pharma, because we think that's the best thing we can do to facilitate science and therefore facilitate drug discovery. And so as a consequence, what we're now doing, by giving away our novel inhibitors to lots of academics, more than 300 labs across the world, we're actually crowdsourcing science. We're de-risking these proteins. And the fourth thing we do is everything we produce, data, knowledge, reagents, we share it with the world immediately. We don't spend 18 months writing up a manuscript, we tell everybody about it straight away. And by doing that, we're trying to reduce duplication and wastage. So 4 things: pool resources, share risk, work in novel, impossible areas to drive innovation, make all of our reagents freely available to crowdsource science, and release everything immediately to reduce duplication and wastage.